Meet Gabia, our beautiful model for our stone-inspired haircut. There's beauty in simplicity, and you'll see me work with two easy sections, a triangular section encompassing the fringe and an elongated chevron section encompassing everything else above the parietal ridge with a point that falls just below the round of the head. Taking my first vertical subsection, comb the hair straight back and cut a line parallel to the back wall. My goal is to work square both horizontally and vertically. I continue working vertical subsections, directing subsection 2 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 3. Subsection 4 becomes stationary and everything in front of 4 is directed straight back to 4. This will preserve Gabia's length and density in the front while removing bulk from the back with a beautiful little bevel that complements her bone structure. The ends will drop out to preserve her strong external shape, and the layering creates a softness within the haircut. This is truly the inspiration we had from a river rock. It has a strong, firm shape, but if you hold it in your hand, it is soft. So here you see the play of both hard and soft. Making sure to comb Gabia's hair to keep organized and to keep her comfortable throughout this process. Now working on the right side, I will be intentional to take the same section sizes, and I encourage you to count if you need to. I know it really helps me to stay organized and consistent within my haircuts. Continuing to work vertical, combing the hair straight back and cutting that line parallel to the back wall. And notice the magic that happens at the parietal ridge. The head shape curves away from you, and this will create a bit of length at the top of our subsection. We know that when hair is shorter on the bottom and longer on the top, it creates graduation. So there's an itty bitty graduation happening on top of this layer to create a subtle bevel. Now working in the fringe section, it was important for Gabia to maintain some length. It did need strengthening though, so you see me take a clue from a previous length she had to create her new shape. By combing the hair out and slightly elevated, it will create softness. Notice the edges have to travel further to that cutting line, so it will result in a nice curved end result. Her cheekbones are gorgeous, so cutting her fringe to this length will draw the eye right toward them. Refining her line, I gently direct the hair back behind her ear. This will preserve her length in the front, and if anyone struggles fumbling over the ear, this is a great approach with a beautiful end result. Now lastly, dropping this final section, I comb the hair to its natural fall. And if anything happens to hang over your cutting line, refine to tie it in. With Gabia's cut, we shifted the weight to create a beautiful bevel. What I love about this cut is its versatility. Depending on your guest's density and texture, you may choose to remove more or less weight. We have the incredible opportunity as hair cutters to be shapeshifters, and sometimes the subtle changes we make can make a huge impact. Happy hair cutting, stay inspired, and stay grounded.
Here's Noogie tie to complete the stone inspiration from Grounded. On damp hair, apply 1 to 2 pumps of super skinny serum mid-shaft through ends. This is a lightweight silicone product that's going to help to give a frizz-free, silky, polished end result. Blow dry the hair using a flat wrap blow dry technique, keeping that hair very tight and sleek to the head shape to give you that very smooth polish for this beautiful bob. I love seeing this color come to life as the hair dries. You have that deeper bit near the face frame representing what stone looks like while it's wet, and that lighter blonde on the outside is representing what stone looks like in its dry form.